Well, off the shelf, the relays of protection and control from different manufacturers are not going to be interoperable. It's not sufficient that they understand the same language, but rather they need to know exactly what messages they are going to receive from the devices of different manufacturers and how they should deal with each message. In order to have a competitive market, it's very important for a company, a utility like IDE, to have this interoperability between different manufacturers. And that is why we have the necessity of interoperability laboratory in order to guarantee this possibility of having devices from different manufacturers.
CIRCE helped Iberdrola from the beginning in the project of the Interoperability Laboratory. From the necessity of testing interoperability between different EIDs, gateways and HMIs, CIRCE supported Iberdrola in the design of the laboratory to make it possible in a reliable, replicable and scalable way. The laboratory was completely designed, assembled and tested in CIRCE facilities, controlling the process from the beginning to the end to ensure a high degree of quality.
This project has been an exciting challenge. We had to go beyond the usual phases of a laboratory design. Our client needs this laboratory to be a fully functional substation mockup. It needs a long-term approach, a constructive design coherent with the new substation projects, external communications with the corporate networks, and flexible resources. This made us combine several technical teams in CIRCE and external partners for the deployment phases. We developed an enhanced vision of a laboratory environment that gave us a new level of experience and know-how for our substation automation and protection services.
In this project, CIRCE has demonstrated how they can bring together knowledge in different areas in order to design, to construct and to test the laboratory, which offers us the possibility to industrialize the testing of the different devices in such a manner that we can connect and disconnect relays very, very easily and do the tests in the most agile manner possible. CIRCE offers both detailed work and deep technical knowledge, and that is what helps us to take the right decisions, and it's what allows us to specify exactly what we want the manufacturers to build. Apart from the laboratory, we always gain a lot of knowledge working together with CIRCE.